Assalamualaikum, welcome back. In the course of programming with Swift, now we start with if condition. The syntax of if condition is simply you write if keyword and there is no requirement of this bracket is the body of if statement consists of these brackets, so you can write condition at these points. So first of all, we declare a variable for a is equal to a int. If you remember the syntax of declaring a variable equal to 10, so if the value of a is equal to 10, then print simply true, because this body is executed when the if condition is true. So first of all, we check it. So you can see the true case is execute. So in the case of condition not working properly, so first of all we change the condition. If a is equal to 11, a equal to 11, so our else case is execute. In this case false. So let's check it. So if you have more than one conditions, so let's make a scenario. So you may write here if following else, if and so first condition is right in the form of if and bracket is, and second is in the form of else if, and a default case else if all the conditions are false. So we write a condition statement b equal to 20. So we write down print condition 2. So we change this statement condition 1. Now let's check it. Here you can see condition 2 is true, because the variable of a have 10 and the variable of b have 20. So a equal to 11 is not true because a have 20. So else if b equal to 20, so here the value of b and the comparing value is equal, so print statement is executed. So if the value of second statement is also false, then definitely else statement is executed. So guys, meet up in next lecture.